You don't have to fucking push me like that again. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I am. I just had a fucking surgery. I have not seen my son in a fucking month. Don't ever touch me again. Get the fuck away from me. And you too. I just can't deal with this. I can't.
15 Haziran 2022. Florida eyaletinin Indian River bölgesinde bir kadın 911'i arayarak oğlunun kaçırıldığını söyledi. Bölgeye yönlendirilen polis ekipleri eve vardıklarında kadının son derece dengesiz ve tutarsız davranışlar sergilediğini fark etti. Kadının yakın zamanda ameliyat olduğu için şiddetli acılar çektiğini iddia ediyor. Aynı anda eski kocasını oğlunun kaçırmakla suçluyordu. Polisler kadının anlattıkları ile davranışları arasındaki çelişkileri görünce duruma anlam verememişti. Kadın sanki polisleri daha önce çağırmış gibi davranmış ve özellikle olay yerine gelen kadın memura karşı agresif bir tutum sergilemişti. Konuşmalar ilerledikçe kadının psikolojik bir kriz, alkol ya da madde etkisi altında olabileceği hissi güçleniyordu.
What's going on? What's going on? Calm down now. You're worse.
I'm not trying to. This is fucked up. I talked to you under your eyelashes. You're fucked up. 2 days ago I talked to her.
2 days ago? I don't
You
know.
didn't work 2 days ago.
Well, I'm stopping. I'm gonna go in my, and I'm gonna change. Yeah, I talked to you.
I don't know you. I've never spoken to you before.
2 days ago. I can pull up my fucking
We're not
computer.
working.
Well, I can show you 2 days ago, but she was not, but she's the one that responded.
I did not respond, ma'am. I've never been here.
I can promise you, she wasn't there 2 days ago.
I wasn't.
I
Sounds a liar. She might forget. It's okay. And I don't, it's okay. But I don't need this shit right now. I am. For a reason.
What is your name?
Hold on.
When was the last time we were actually out here?
I don't think there's any.
Checked on too.
12:05. Reference this call. Can you pull up the last time we were out here?
Sure.
Do you need another eye to open up so you can see?
Should you,
Yeah, I'm
should you be
trying.
wearing some special stuff?
No, I need some more because I'm hurt.
Should you be wearing the...
We're done. You guys can go. I'll call the police. I don't want you.
I think this is this.
I'm listening.
Yeah.
Push a little button. I talked to you 2 days ago.
No, ma'am, you did
I
not.
told you everything that I needed help with.
No, ma'am, you
did
did not.
help me with it. What? Even worse.
If you want to tell me what you need help with,
Oh no!
Come on,
Please
come on,
don't.
come on, come
No,
on, come on.
no, stop! I just had a surgery. Please.
Okay, let's talk.
Please.
Let's talk.
Please.
Let's talk.
Okay, we
Don't
can
stop.
talk.
Let's just not
but don't
play
touch
games.
me.
Over and over again.
Don't touch me.
Okay?
Please don't touch
You're not
me.
gonna run back in the house and slam the door and over and over again. Your dogs are already outside.
You don't have to push me like that again. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
I just had
You're clearly
surgery.
going through some sort of distress here.
Yeah,
so
I am. I just had a fucking surgery. I have not seen my son in a fucking month.
Why haven't you seen your child?
I'm dealing with my fucking attorney. It has nothing to do with that. But
So it's a child-
don't ever fucking touch me again. Get the fuck away from me. And you too. I just can't deal with this. I can't. You're not invited. I already have everything. No, it's not funny.
the last time we were out here was April, ma'am.
It's okay. That's fine. I don't call citizen. I just need to, like, I'm not.
What medications do you take?
I don't.
You
I'm
don't?
dealing with my son.
Have you ever taken medication?
I have not seen my son in a month. Okay.
Have you been drinking today?
No, not at all. I'm fucking working. I'm dealing with fucking work. I'm dealing with my fucking son. And my son's dad, I will not even give him a fucking phone. He came back to his house so I can call him.
How old is your son?
He's 15.
Okay. Okay.
I know you're asking. It's okay. I wasn't trying to.
Okay.
I can't.
But you're trying
It's
to-
because my son is kidnapped, okay?
Okay.
I have not seen my son in a month, okay?
I'm just trying to understand what's
That's
going
fine.
on.
That's fine.
Okay. Who kidnapped your son?
My ex-husband. His name is Clay Butler. Clay, Claybutler.
Okay.
He
and
does this all the time.
where is he now?
In Orlando.
Okay. And why are you saying that he's been kidnapped? Do you guys have like a court agreement or?
Well,
A minute ago, you were saying that you were dealing with the court process. Is that like He
I
has
have a
the
question.
child waiting for that.
Are you asking me questions or is he now?
We're-
Because for 1 second,
Okay.
I'm going to
Are you-
stop and I'm going to get a
I'll wait
recording.
over here.
Hold on.
Do not.
Oh, no, don't
Okay.
push me that hard.
Do
I
not.
want to get a recording. Don't
You have to be
ever
recorded.
fucking touch me like this again.
Listen.
You touch me hard. I want a phone
Listen,
for a question.
You're not going to
no.
keep putting your hands
Stop.
in my face.
I'm not going to. I'm going to get
You
my
are.
phone. No, I'm not. He's
No,
hurting
right now,
me.
who's hurting you?
He just did. Over here. Him.
Okay.
He pushed me hard.
You
I
need
was talking to you.
back up, and you won't get pushed again. Back up.
I'm talking to.
Back
don't
up.
talk to me like that, and
Back
don't
up.
talk to me again. Oh, because you
You're not
have
gonna-
authority, because you have eyelashes. Let's go talk about your back up.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
go find who you are, and you're a
My
fucking.
name is Deputy DeLeon with the Indian River County
That's
Sheriff's
fine.
Office.
I'm sure.
That is exactly who I am.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
so
and
much
if you
for that.
run up on me one more time, you're gonna get pushed a lot harder.
By
Do you
the
understand?
way, I never touched you.
Okay.
By the way,
Do you want to
understand?
figure out what's
He
going on with
trashed
your
me
son or not?
twice.
Do you need help figuring out
Do
what's
you
going on with your son?
understand?
Do you need help?
Back up your shit right now.
Ma'am.
Do you
Do
understand
you
what
need help
he
with
just
your
said?
son or not?
Do you want to help to understand? Yeah, I want 4 more cops out here right now because neither one of you are doing this,
Ma'am.
and don't ever touch me
You're too
again.
close. If I can touch
Oh,
you, that
no.
means you're too close.
I know. I was walking towards
Okay,
my house.
so,
you're not welcome.
Do you
can
do
go.
you need help with your son or not?
No, you guys
Okay,
can go.
so if you call back again, it's us that's coming out here.
That's fine.
Okay,
Thank you.
so if you don't need our help, don't call us.
Well, guess what? I will call because
Okay, well, if you call,
There's
it's
calls.
us coming out. Okay?
then do your
Ma'am, if you call, it's us coming out.
You ready? Then do your fucking job. Touch me again. Touch me again.
Kadının oğlunun büyük ihtimalle mahkeme kararıyla babasının olduğu düşünülüyordu. Ancak kadın polisi suçlayarak, bağırarak ve kontrolsüz hareketlerle ortamı giderek daha da geriyordu. Ekipler durum tehlikeli bir noktaya gelince kadını güvenlik amacıyla kelepçelemek zorunda kaldı.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
He's hurting me.
Hands behind your back.
He's hurting me.
Stand still. Hands behind your back. Stand still. Just stand still.
No, they're hurting me.
Stand still.
They're hurting me.
Well, stand still.
Stop. They keep hurting me. Please stop hurting me. They really are hurting me. Just stop. They're hurting me. I will not hurt anybody. They're not hurting me. This is hurting me. I would never. Just stop, please. I don't want. Oh, just please stop. This does not have to hurt anybody. No, it does not work. Doesn't work. They don't work. No, they don't. No, none of those work. It depends on the top. It's a fucking ranch handler.
What is your
I'm
name?
telling you the truth. I'm not.
Stop. You're out of control.
I am not. I'm
You are
fucking.
totally out of control.
I have a question for you. Can I have all my shit back? It's like I will never hurt somebody. Just please let me go so I can talk to somebody.
You know, I think that you need to talk to somebody too. And
I always
you're gonna-
talk to somebody. I don't fucking lie about shit. Can you
No, I'm
Go
not
for
gonna.
it.
Can you let her go and let me talk to you guys, please? Just let her go, because this is a fucking lie from her. Just please stop. I'm not trying to fight
Do you
her.
see a psychologist?
I talked to my own counselor, but I don't
Talk to
need
your own
this
counselor?
shit. Yes, I don't need all of this.
What?
What the fuck are you doing? Why the fuck would you do something like that? No, be careful, be careful. My left arm. Hey, stop. My left arm.
I know,
My
let's go.
son's 13 and Chris.
Then walk with them. Just walk. Just walk. Just walk.
No, stop.
Just
You guys are
walk.
hurting me. You
Just
guys
walk.
are hurting me.
Just walk. It won't hurt us. You just walk.
I'm not going. Hey, I'm not going. No, I'm not going. I'm
I
staying
believe
here.
that as long as you're in handcuffs,
No,
you're
I'm
going.
sorry.
Kadın kelepçelendikten sonra polis aracına bindirilmek üzereyken polis memurunun yüzüne tekme atmış ve tam burnuna isabet etmişti. Bu olaydan sonra hem saldırı hem de davranışlarının tehlikeli hale gelmesi sebebiyle gözaltına alınarak işlemleri yapılmak üzere karakola götürüldü.
You're a sane person. No.
All right, have a seat.
let me go back in.
Turn around and have a seat.
Not yet. I'm not ready yet. Please, let me use the part, of course. Please,
You need to have a seat.
Just have a seat.
please, I never did anything to you.
Have a seat.
Please unstop
Ma'am,
this.
have a
Have
seat,
a
and we
I
can work
just
with
my
you.
dog's back away. No,
Okay,
they're
we'll
just
take
my
care of
dogs. No, let me take care of my things,
Ma'am,
please.
have a seat in the car.
I'm just asking.
Have a seat.
Okay, we'll take care of everything you need help with.
I know you have no
Have a seat.
humanity because you f***ed a lot of people. You've been a nasty bitch
Yeah.
to so
Have a
many
seat.
guys.
I'm
That's
sure.
kind of terrible.
Just have a seat.
Oh, trust me. That's
Yeah.
why you moved over here to Bureau.
Oh, okay, have a
Stop
seat.
touching me.
Have a
You're
seat.
hurting me. Stop touching me.
That's it.
Have a seat.
She's
Get out.
touching me.
Calm down,
I
calm
just had a f***ing surgery.
Are you okay?
I just had a surgery. Am I okay? No, she keeps fucking hurting me.
Get in the car. Oh, get back, get back, get back, get back.
Yeah, because she keeps hurting me.
You okay? Nicole, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You're getting in the car.
She keeps hurting me.
Nicole, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm not bleeding, right?
No, I don't think so.
I'm good.
Okay.
I just
no,
gotta
I know.
breathe.
I know.
It hurts.
It's okay. I understand. It's okay.
That hurt.
I know. I saw it.
Okay, I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Bu tarz gerçek bodycam hikayelerini seviyorsanız videoyu beğenmeyi ve kanala abone olmayı unutmayın. Kadın polisin tekme karşısında bu denli sakin kalabilmesi bence takdire şayan. Şimdilik benden bu kadar. Bir sonraki videoda görüşene dek hoşça kal.